Welcome again guys to Daddy D TV. Today I'll be making some rice and peas and fried chicken and some potato salad.
Okay. Okay.
This is my chicken. I already clean it up and get it washed off in some vinegar and water, or you can use lime if you don't have vinegar. So now I'm gonna add some seasoning on my chicken. Yep. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning because I love to cook with my jerk seasoning. Yeah. Some chicken seasoning. So this is about 2 teaspoon there. And now I'm gonna add a little all-purpose 2 teaspoons as well. Yeah man, and I'm kitchen ready. So yeah. So alright, that is that. So now I'm gonna get some garlic in the blender. Chop onion. Yeah. Just get this one quick and fast. Quick and fast. Yeah man, so chop up some spring onion as well. I get that in there. Here's my thyme. Yeah, so I'm going to get some thyme in there as well. Then, for your drink. So you guys, I'm gonna get this blend, so stay tuned and watch the process. Soon come. So you guys, welcome back. Now I'm gonna add my garlic, thyme, and spring onion, and I think onion in there as well. So I'm gonna add it to my chicken. Pour it over my chicken. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this to rest for a bit. Let it soak. Yeah, that is it. So yeah guys, so this is my potato. Yeah, this is my potato that I'm gonna use to make my potato salad. Yeah, it's already cooked. So I'm gonna do that in a minute. So stay tuned and watch your progress. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get my flour season up. Okay. Alright, so we get the chicken in. Stay tuned and watch the process. Now as you can see, my chicken is frying, so I'm gonna turn them over. Yeah man, I'm gonna give them a turn. Yeah man. Good. Yeah guys, they're frying nicely. Daddy D style, huh? Okay, that's it. So yeah guys, while the chicken is frying, in the meantime I'm gonna season up my rice pot. Yeah man, so I got 1 green pepper. Plus I've got my thyme, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that my thyme, I dropped that, you know. I already washed them off and thing, yeah. So just gonna get them in the pot. And this is my scallion or spring onion, yeah. In the garlic. Then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Okay, that is that. So I'm gonna leave it for a minute, at least 5 minutes until start boiling up again, guys. Then I wash my rice and add it. I add my rice to the pot here, yeah? Get my rice in the pot, yeah? So stay tuned and watch what's going on. Daddy D around here. In my kitchen, brother. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, so this is some of the fried chicken. So as soon as the rest finish, I'm going to take them out the pot and get them in that container. But right about now, it's time to get the rice in the pot, so I'm going to do that. I already washed the rice, so I'm going to get it in the pot. But off camera, guys, I add some pimento and a little butter in my pot here. So now I'm just going to add the rice. Yoy! Yeah man, Daddy D style, yeah, chicken. That's the chicken finished, fried. So yeah, while the rice is cooking, guys, then I'm gonna make some sauce. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Daddy D around here. In my kitchen, brother. Yeah man, check in, guys. So this is the finished product of my rice and peas and fried chicken and a potato salad. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in and let you know what's going on. Come on. Come on. Hey guys, it's a shot. This is a it, yeah? So in the meantime, whatever you do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the post notifications bell. So whenever the videos drop, you'll be the first to notify. Yeah man, stay blessed, I'm out. Catch you in the next one.